Assalamu alaikum and good morning again to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are feeling great, super amazing. I think the light is a little low. I need to fix that. It's okay. So we are in our numeracy class right now, and in which we are, as usually, playing with the numbers and revising a little of them and doing a little activity, right? So we will be doing the counting, okay? Which counting that I'm going to tell you, okay? So look at this here. You can see some of the paint blobs here, right? So you can see like some colors, the blues and the reds and black and green and different shades of blues. Yeah, there are different shape of shade of blues and greens and orange, something like that, right? So you can see all of them over here, right? So there are like how many of them? So you can count them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So you can see 10 over here. But there is something else as well. So what is, other than from 1 to 10 numbers, what is there in these paint blobs? So let's see. I'm going to show you when I'm going to put the book very close to the screen, so you'll be able to see that, and you have to tell me what is that, right? Now look at this. I think you can all see this now. So from where the numbers are starting, yes, can you see this? Can you see this? This is 0. Which paint is inside? Is there any paint blob? No, this is empty. It's 0, right? This is 0. Rest of them have all the paints, but this is 0. Yeah, that's great, right? So we have counted from 1 till 10, and now we're going to count the paint blobs from 10 to 1, and that is called the backward counting, right? So we're going to start from here. So I'm going to hold my pencil. Okay. Start counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Yes. Now 0 is the number for none, right? Okay, so now we have to make the sets, right? And see if they are the same or not, right? So we have eggs over here. Can you see? These are the bird eggs. So count how many eggs do you see over here? 1, 2, 3. That's great. And how many birds are there? 1, 2, and 3. So are they equal? The same? The number is the same as the birds? Or is the number of eggs same as the birds? What do you think? Same? 1, 2, 3. 3 birds and 3 eggs. So that means that, yes, there are 3 eggs and there are 3 birds. The number of eggs is the same as the number of the birds, right? That's great. Okay, now how about this picture? How many tigers do you see over here? You're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 tigers. And how many cages do you see over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see, does each tiger have a cage over here? Is the number of the tiger the same as the number of the cage? So let's see, we're going to draw the line over here. Okay, where's my pencil? It's over here. Right, so look at this. Tiger number 1 goes in the cage number 1. Yes, tiger number 2 goes in the cage number 2. Tiger number 3 goes into the cage number 3. Tiger number 4 goes into the cage number 4. And the tiger number 5 goes into the cage number 5. So we have 5 cages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 5 tigers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's the same. Now here also the eggs are the same as the number of birds, and here are the cages are the same as the number of the tigers. Yes, that is great. So I hope you understand the same, right? As if I tell you I have like 5 fingers here. So here in this hand I have 5 fingers. So are these also the same? We have 5 fingers for this every finger has another pair, like 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, there are 5 fingers and the pair, every finger has a pair. Okay, or maybe we can say that now look at them, there are 4 earbuds. Now is the same of the fingers I have in this hand, right? Now let's see, 1 for this, 2 for this, 3 and 4, right? Okay, this one is left. So they are not the same as the fingers, right? They are less than the fingers, right? The number of fingers. Okay, now let's look at the other thing on the book. We're going to compare and see if they are the same or not. Okay, now you're going to count the number of cookies over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Indicates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do you think? Are the number the same? Like every child can get the cookie? What do you think? Let's look at this. He can get this, she can get this, he can get one, she can get one, and he can get one. Oh, they're the same. Now look at the picture. Yay, everybody has a cookie. Is there one cookie for each friend? Yes, everyone has a cookie. She also, everyone has a cookie. So the cookies are the same as the number of the friends. So nobody's left alone over here. That's great. So they're all sharing. That's really nice. Okay, now look at this. What is this? Crocodiles. How many crocodiles do you see over here? 1, 2, 3. Oh yes. Okay. Now have a look at the other page. How many crocodiles do you see over here? 1, 2, 3. Are they the same on the pages? Right? Is the number of the crocodile the same on each page? Now look at the pages. Now look at the pages. How many do you see over here? 1, 2, 3. Yay. And how many do you see here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, they're the same on each page. 3 crocodiles, 3 crocodiles, right? That's great. Yeah, that's lovely. Okay. Now there are friends. Now this says it's time for party. Count the number of friends and the number of party hats. Okay, like how many friends? We're going to count the friend first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 friends. And we're going to count the hats. 1, 2, 3, 4 hats. There are 5 friends and there are 4 hats. Compare the number that there are 5 friends and 4 party hats. The number of friends is more, right? The number of friends is more than the hats. There's one without the hat. That's not fair. So how can we make the number of friends the same as the number of hats? What should we do? Because like she should not left alone. She should have the hat as well. So if one friend can't come, there will be 4 friends. If she doesn't come, that will be perfect, right? But what if everybody has come on the birthday party? So what are you going to do? Think, think, think. If she doesn't come, that's okay. But if she comes, what are you going to do? Go and tell me. Okay, you're going to make a new hat. That's great. Yeah, you can buy a new hat. That's lovely. That is great. Yes. If you buy one more hat, there will be five hats and five friends. The other way to make the number is that's another way to make the number same, right? So you can call only four friends or you can buy a new hat. So every friend has a hat for the party, right? So everybody will be happy, right? Okay, that's great. And then, oh, it's still the party time, but we are going to count and compare the number of prizes, the number of candies over here, right? Now there are like one, two, three, four friends. And how many prizes, candies? One, two, three, four, five. So there are four friends and five prizes. The number of friends is less than the prizes, right? Okay. So how can we make the number of friends the same as the number of prizes, right? How can we make it same like with the friends? Yes, we can invite one friend. Yes, that's great. So if we invite one more friend, there will be like five friends and five prizes, right? That is great. That is lovely. So everybody will be happy and everybody will enjoy the party over here, right? So this is how you should manage the things if you see that there is some party like at your home and you have to plan that. So how you're going to make the things the same as the number of the invitees, the number of your friends you have invited. So this is all maths which you have to do, and you'll be doing in the in your future, like when you'll be arranging the parties or you'll be setting up something. So you should know what is less and what is more, how you're going to balance them, right? So this was a numeracy class today in which we have learned about the same numbers, the more and the less, and the zero, right? So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have, okay? So till we see each other soon, I'm going to say you bye-bye and Allah Hafiz.